Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Key West, Florida, recording at the Truman Waterfront Park. Recording in early March 2025. Nice weather today, about 60 degrees, 65, walking a little bit windy. See a bench area in the back next to the palm trees and a large tree with various roosters next to it. Looks like a sort of frog design or a green color ahead on the bench, and coming up to the tree looks interesting from the bottom. You could see some roosters on the bottom and perhaps some hens under the shade, and a tree from the other end. Lots of rooster in Key West, or roosters. Walking towards the back, you can see a water park area designed for kids. Looks like a big mushroom at top and water coming down. Up ahead, some plane spotting. A Delta plane looks to be landing close by. You can hear the plane in the distance. Lots of palm trees, and the water park looks empty at the moment, but various spouts on the bottom, water falling from the top, and a slide. So a neat water park area, some more activities for children, some dry slides on this side, and art. Looks like a pelican. I saw an egret earlier, and over here some butterflies. Looks like some climbing areas with handholds, and far to the back, Florida Keys Eco Discovery Center. Can also see a marina area, various boats docked, and one that looks like a military ship, St. George in the background. Nice to walk here. You could see the 360 view on my new Insta 360 camera. Can even see myself walking as I come through the path. Looks like decently clear water. You can see right to the bottom of it, and many of the boats in the back. Another plane coming in up above, and lots of, looks like kelp or seaweed on the side here down into the water. Closer to the Eco Discovery Center, and it looks like some are working on the lawn. You can hear a lawnmower or a similar device in the background. And you can see some sea designs. Looks like a shark and a fish on the other side. It's a really nice day here in Florida. Again, early March 2025. Not too hot walking. I'm off the Celebrity Silhouette cruise ship. It's of those walking. This one looks a little bit different towards the center. You can see them bobbing their heads, more than the pigeons even. Closer view of the soccer field to the side. And the Discovery Center, National Marine Sanctuaries, and NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, U.S. Department of Commerce. More trees in the back, getting a little bit windy once again, but a really nice day to walk.
When did this start?
Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Key West, Florida. Stay tuned for more content.